Hello students, myself is K. Trivedi, 30 years experience physics faculty. Now we are going to study speed of sound in air. So according to Newton's formula for velocity of sound in air, Newton considered it as whether the sound is moving through air, it is isothermal process. That is, temperature remains constant. So, now I'm doing it. General equation is speed of light a square root b isothermal upon density. B is the bulk mode of elasticity. Now, according to gas equation, PV equal nRT. It is constant. On differentiation of it, P dV plus V dP equal derivative of constant is 0. There is isothermal process, T will be constant, R is constant, N is number mole constant. So from this, we are finding P equal minus dP upon dV upon V. So this is equal to B, bulk mode of elasticity. Change in pressure upon strain. So this is stress upon strain, the bulk mode of elasticity. So in place of B, you may write P. P is atmospheric pressure. So this is V equal P upon rho. On substituting the values, P is atmospheric pressure is 1.013 into 10 power 5 Newton per square meter upon density of the air, it is 1.293 kg per cubic meter. On simplification, you are getting 280 meter per second. 280 meter per second. But practically it is not correct. Generally, we are getting the speed of sound. Speed of sound in air, it is 330, 335, within range of 330 to 340 meter per second. So, it is not correct. So, there is a Laplace correction. According to Laplace, Laplace is saying, no, whether propagation of sound is taking place in the air, there is adiabatic process. There is adiabatic process. So, according to adiabatically operation will take place. So in this, according to him, PV to power gamma is K. As on differentiation, this is adiabatic gas equation in adiabatic process. So on differentiation, P gamma V to power gamma minus 1 dV plus dP V to power gamma equal 0. I differentiated it. Taking V to, I am dividing both sides, V to power gamma minus 1. So it is gamma P plus dP V equal 0. So in this, there is dV also. So I am write dV2. So gamma P equal minus dP V upon dV. So this is equal to B, bulk mode of elasticity adiabatically process. This is adiabatically. This is adiabatically. So in this, in place of B, you can write gamma P. So now speed of sound in air is square root B adiabatic upon density. So B is gamma P, you have derived it upon density of the air, and this is a root gamma and P upon rho. This value I have got 280, and for air is diatomic, its gamma value is, that is Cp upon Cv. Here gamma is a ratio of Cp upon Cv, so it's a 1.41 and 280. So on simplification, you are getting 332 meter per second. So this is value is matching with the speed which you are getting by the experimentally speed of sound in air. So the Laplace correction is correct. Okay, best of luck. In case you have any doubt, please confirm to me. Comment me and please subscribe if you think it is simple. Okay, best of luck.